Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarti. In today's video, I'd be sharing with you guys my first impressions on epilating. So to be very frank, this is the first time I'm actually trying myself at epilating. I've never tried it. So I've usually, for hair removal, I've usually used shaving or waxing actually, but I've never tried epilating it. So I've in the recent Nika haul, if you guys haven't seen the haul, I leave it in the link or in the cards, so check it out. But I've ordered the Philips Satinelle. This is how the packaging was. Yeah, I've ordered this and I really wanted to try myself. So I'm very scared and I'm actually filming it really late in the night, but I wanted to give it a fair shot. So you know, maybe I don't know, I'm very scared. But yeah, let's get started. So this is the box it came in with, and this is how it exactly looks like. So this is how beautifully it is. Super tiny, super compact, it's very easy. Now, so the one that I have ordered, I've also ordered the shaving part of it. So basically you can just pop out the head and you can also use it, another head, the shaving part of it. Both of this is, it's like another version. So basically you can either buy just the epilator or both of this. So the reason I went for this is, if this hurts a lot, I don't want to throw this, okay? So even if without this head it's around 17 or 1800, so it's not cheap, you can't just throw it out, okay? So if this does not work, I want to go back to my shaving, so that's why I've ordered this part of it. So it's pretty sleek, it's very it's very tiny, it's very compact. I'm just gonna put this aside so we talk about it later. It comes with this huge cord. It's really long, super long. I think it's very long. Yeah, so this is super long. But yeah, it's the typical Indian plug that it comes with, and this is how you have a hole right over here. Just plug it in. That's pretty much it. It's a really long wire, so I feel like it goes for a little longer length. And let me just plug it in. Before we go into the process of epilating, I just wanted to show you guys a closer look. Now it does come with 3 settings. So this is the off button, this is the on, this is the first setting, and this is the second setting. So let me show you guys how it sounds, okay? I'm just gonna blur out all the sounds and just make you guys hear the sound. Oh my god, just look at how quickly this turns. I really hope this actually picks it up on the camera. Look at how fast it turns. The first time when I've ordered this, I just wanted to try. I wanted to see how it is. And after hearing the sound, I'm like, no. I'm so scared with the sound. Oh my god, it sounds like that carpenter ka that thing. It's too scary. But yeah, so it has 2 different settings. So let's get started. So basically, I waited for this for a really long time. So I do have a bunch of hair on my hand. So I'm going to do the epilating part here, and I'm going to use the shaver head on this part and show you guys the before and after. But I'm really scared, you guys. It's super scary. I don't want it to hurt. It comes with this chota comb, okay? And I don't think this works, but maybe, I don't know. This comes with its comb so that it can, you can just clean it off. So you can simply pop it out like this. Just slide it away and you can pop it out. It's that simple. And then you can pop it in back again the same way. That's it. Now let's get started. Let me give you guys the before and the after part of it. So yeah. So this is the epilator side. So let's get started. So this is my hand. I'm really scared. Let's get started. I'm not gonna cut any of this. I'm gonna try not to cut any of this. So yeah. Oh my god. Alright. Ow. It hurts. Alright, I'm gonna give it another fair shot.
Holy shit! Oh my god! It hurts like hell! Oh my god! hurts real bad, you guys.
Oh my god, it hurts so bad, you guys. I don't see any difference. Like I can see like a little bit of hair here and there, but yeah, there's no huge difference. Let's go one more time. Oh my god. Okay, first things first, it does need a while to you have to keep going back and forth if your hair is very tiny. My hair is a little tiny for this to pick it up, but the hairs that it picked up, I'm gonna try giving a closer look. It's very gross, but yeah, so yeah, it did pick up, but I think it requires a little more thicker hair, and I don't think I am gonna have even more thick hair. But yeah, oh my god, it hurts like hell.
Hell, man, hell. Oh no.
Alright, I'm done using the epilating part. I will give my review. Oh my god, you guys, it hurts like hell, first thing. So I'm gonna give a rundown of pros and cons. The first thing is it hurts like hell. Like hell, man, hell. Oh my god, that's the first part of it. The second con is probably you have to keep going on the same skin again and again, and I don't feel that good about it. Going on the skin once again and again and again, I feel like it might tend to give a rashes to people who have sensitive skin. But apart from that, coming to the pros of it, I feel like this literally pulls from the from the root of the skin, and I feel like it kind of works. It does work, but if you are willing to give up the pain, 100% go for this. But I'm sure I'm never gonna use it again. Maybe once or twice, but I don't think so. So I'm gonna pop this out and try the shaving part. Also, before I try the shaving part, I will give you guys the arms. Not much of difference. I do have tiny razor bumps that came across, but yeah. Popped on my shaving head. So let's get a shaving on the same part and see how it works. Shaving part is super easy. It's like a typical shaver, but I don't think it's that easier to get into the nooks and crooks and crannies of all the parts, the turning and all of that. But yeah, it works as a proper shaver, so might be give it a shot. I don't know. So the epilator that I've ordered has the two attachments, the epilator part as well as the shaving part. Now both of them are waterproof, so you can just run them under water and it's good to go. But one thing that I've noticed is it's for approximately 3,500 that I've ordered. The only thing that I noticed and I'm a little disappointed is the inside part of it. All of this is made with plastic. It's really flimsy. I can literally turn it with my finger, and I feel like over a period of time, or if you don't know how to put it straight, it is gonna break and it's no use. So I feel like maybe packaging inside the manufacturing might have been good. So coming to the overall verdict, oh my god, it hurts, and I don't know whether I'll be using this again. I will cautiously, I won't go for this, but maybe if this is the last option. But damn it, you guys, it hurts. Oh my god. That is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.